Before we creating another test, we need to talk little bit about IPFS. IPFS stands for Interplanetary File System. Next, we need to do some NFT minting. Therefore, we need to convert images into metadata. We need to install this IPFS desktop and this IPFS companion Chrome extension. Just visit here and add to your Chrome browser. I already have added this Chrome browser and installed this desktop application. Installing IPFS desktop is very easy. This app is available for all major operating systems, so you don't need to worry about it. We are going to create NFT with metadata. We are not going to store images or any digital asset to on-chain. If we do so, if we just put all of our images or large file to on-chain, then the price or the gas fees will be very high. Moreover, the blockchain will be a large file. Therefore, most of the developer who are expert or who are professional, they just keep their files inside IPFS interplanetary file system and they just pin it and they just create a metadata. Let me show you how to create one. First of all, go to IPFS desktop, then in here go to files. Inside files, just it is slow for the first time. In files, just go to file. You just need to upload an image. I'm going to upload this image. This is going to be my NFT. You can upload any image you want. Just copy CID. After copying CID, and make sure you must install this IPFS companion, otherwise it won't work. IPFS :/, then the CID you have copied. Press enter, then it should take us to the image we just uploaded. Yeah, we have got our image. This is our image, but the URL is this. Okay. Now we are not going to create token of this URL. Instead, we are going to create metadata. Let me show you. NFT standard format. Search for NFT standard format from this OpenSea documentation. You can see the NFT standard everyone follows. Implementing token URI. This is the token this is the token they provide in the function. We have created this function that they just provide the token and they get back the URL. Okay, this is the standard format. Let me just copy this and paste it here in the cursor. I just created a NFT images folder. We have created all of them. I'll show you what is this. Let me create an example.json. In here, just paste it here. Okay, and I have created another one. Let me just copy those attributes and paste it here in place of attributes. And here in the image URL, we are not going to put this URL. Instead, we are going to put the URL from this copy CID and we are going to paste it here. IPFS : the CID I have copied. This is the metadata file example.json. Okay, let me upload that file as well. Just import file, then go to this is the example JSON file we have to upload. Then copy CID, again go to this browser IPFS : then this the CID we have copied. This is the metadata we are getting back and this is the image URL. Okay, let me just search for this. This is the image we are getting, but let me tell you, this won't work in image tag. What is this image tag? This is the image tag from HTML. When you do like this, image src is equal IPFS, then the colon // and CID. This won't work actually. So we need to do like this: IPFS.io fs.io /IPFS / then the CID. We can just get that CID from here. This is the CID of the image. Let me copy it and paste it here. I'm not going to use it. Let me just delete it. Move to trash. Here I have discussed the process in the comments. Just pause the video, take a screenshot. You need to upload an image to IPFS desktop and get the URL CID and create a metadata JSON file. After creating that metadata JSON file, there will be a image key. Let me show you one more time. This is the file. All of those JSON file has this image, external URL, description and name, attributes. All of them you need to change. I have created all of them. You just pause the video and upload a image, create metadata JSON file, then point image IPFS to metadata JSON file, then upload metadata JSON file to IPFS desktop and get the URL. Okay, hope you understand the process. Just upload 4 or 5 images and point all those URLs to a different JSON file, then upload all those JSON file and get the CID to all those metadata JSON file. I have created all those images and JSON file for you. You just can select all of them and drag into the IPFS desktop, then you will get all the URL. I have uploaded all the images and the metadata file. All those JSON file have pointed to those images, .jpg images in key of image, and here is my all those metadata files, metadata URLs. This is the metadata URLs. Let me show you one more time. Just go to here and you can see a metadata file. This is a metadata file and this is the image I have pointed to. Those are two most important thing, and you can put attributes and name according to your image or NFT. But however, you can just copy and paste my NFT metadata and use them. Okay, no problem with that. Let me just close everything on the right, and here we are going to create a test. This is the first test we have created. This is the instruction. Now we are going to create another test. The name of the test will be test mint. Okay, this is the name and this is going to be a function. So just test that NFT is minted successfully. Okay, this is what I want. I'm just pressing tab to autocomplete all those things. Here we need some parameters. First one is going to be simple NFT. The second one will be owner. The third one will be recipient. Okay, these three things we are going to need in this test. Let me just delete all this autocomplete thing. We need to mint our NFT. Receipt. This is a receipt. Simple NFT dot mint. Here we need to pass recipient and then metadata URLs. Metadata URLs is going to be the first URL of our metadata, which is this one. Okay, this is we are going to mint with a token. After minting, we need to find out the event, extract token ID from transfer event. Okay, now here just create event is equal list. Inside this list we need to do like this. I think the spelling of receipt is not like this. Okay, just forgive me if I made any spelling mistake. I'm not expert in English, however I am trying my best to improve. Okay, filter, and here we need simple NFT dot. This is the event we have in this simple NFT. Okay, we need to just find this out from here, and the first event, this will actually return all events as an array, but we are going to just return the first event, and here we need to assert something. Before that, let me just extract the token ID is going to be event and token ID. Okay, next let's assert some text. Token ID must be on, because we mint only ons, therefore the token ID is going to be on. Actually, let me save it and compile it one more time. We don't need to compile, we just need to run ap test, and then we should see both of the tests are passed, but one of them is not passed. What is that? Okay, here is the problem. We must need to send the sender is equal owner, who is minting this NFT. We just need to make sure the owner is minting this NFT. Okay, once we do that, then once again just do ap test, error again, name account is not defined. We have made a spelling mistake. Let me copy this and paste it below here. Once again run ap test. This time both of the tests are passed.